Hey kids, check this out. Got a piece of quarter round, perfect to put right under the stairways by length, but got a little bit cracked up when it was being removed. So what do? That's easy. You take a little bit of glue, some wood glue would be the best. You open up the area it is, and then you kind of put the glue in. And you kind of shove it. You don't need a lot. You really don't, because it'll just come squeezing out. But you just shove a bunch in there. And the key is that you have your trusty old Jethro clamp it right there next to you, and you just clamp it. Make sure you get it good where it won't slip. Yeah, that's right. We don't like slippage, do we, ladies? No slippage. So once you get it steady, I would leave it be for a while. You could maybe, hold on. You better take some tissue from this side. You can gently wipe off the excess glue while it's setting. But you could take some of the glue. Sometimes you kind of take the glue and sort of spackle it in there, because usually it dries up anyway. There you go. See how that turns out. Peace.